Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we will be doing my first unboxing video. You will not be seeing my face, all you will be seeing is my hands doing unboxings. As you guys probably seen, you already seen all my fidget spinners, I think. Most of you did. But here's a fidget cube. Has these buttons, this, and this, and then that little joystick right there. And then we have this one. It's a rubber one because it can like bend. But I tried to super glue it because the little middle thing, I forget what it's called, bearing, something like that. What's it called? The bearing.
The thing that spins, I'm not sure what it's
I think it's a bearing. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure. Now it can't spin a little bit, but it's completely bendable. Then we have this one. It's a metal one. It does spin. Not that good. And then we have this fidget spinner, which is my favorite. Here, guys, I'm gonna adjust the camera a little bit. There we go. That's better. And we have this one. These things come off. Then they can go right back on. And then this little piece, you just screw it off and then on. It spins really smoothly. And I have a United States one, two that lights up. A glow in the two light up ones, a United States one, a glow in the dark one. And those ones, I forget where I put them, especially the one light up one, which I lost. Which I thought I put it in my mom's purse, but she must have took it out and threw it away on accident. There she is, shaking her head no. I have 6 fidget spinners right there. Right there. My friend Abby, she has the same exact one. She got it from Ollie's and I lost mine around her birthday. And she got that one around her birthday. So it might be mine, but I'm not sure. Next time I go over there, I'm going to have to test her. Ask her questions on paper. So let's get started with the unboxing. I will be doing this one first. Because I love blue. This one is glittery blue. It says color sparkle. Just so you know, guys, this is my first ever unboxing video. Just so you know, I do keep these to put them back in. But this one spins nice. So here it is out of the package. It's nice and pretty. It spins nice, spins really smooth. It's not that fast, but it's okay. Maybe it is fast. I just can't do it on the table or else I'll break the table because it is glass. But there's a close picture. I will do this green one next. Here it is in the package. It's sparkly too, just like the blue. Sorry guys if the camera falls.
Do you want me to sing or anything for your background, Kylie?
You just messed up the video. Sorry about my mom here. She's crazy.
I can sing and entertain if you like.
No.
Okay.
Guys, when I go back to school tomorrow, please help me. So here's the green fidget spinner. It's sparkly.
I wish I were asking on your wiener.
Please stop. I don't even know what that song is. Guys, please help me. Here's the green fidget spinner. Here's how it spins.
The magic dragon.
Please be quiet before I end this video. I really won't. First, we're actually going to do all those sparkly ones. Here's a pink one. It's pretty. Oh, you can see it's the butt. There it is. Let's take it out of the package. I got these for $1 at Dollar Tree. I know, it's unbelievable. I got $6. Yeah. And I will be doing a part 2 of these, maybe 3 parts, because I'm going to be at $89 when I get my allowance. And I will be able to spend it on as many fidget spinners as I want with it. So there's the pink. Now where did I put here? Let me just move this little one over and then just do this one. This one is a yellowish green metallic fidget spinner. And this. Maybe. It's just period. It's this one's stuck. There we go. So here it is like that. Ooh! Uh-oh. Did it break? Yeah. Please be quiet. Okay. Here's this one. Makes a little bit of noise. It's pretty. At first it looked like a diarrhea colored one. Because the plastic was blocking it and it looked like it. Let's see. Uh-oh. Don't fall. Let's do the tail. This one was one of the ones that weren't into the camera. Let's see. Let's open up this. Just so you know, guys, it's hard to do this because, like, I have to stretch all the way over so you can see it. But tell me if you want to see more unboxing videos of, like, fidget spinners and everything. And I'll try to do as many as I can. This pink fidget spinner is driving me nuts. So is this camera. Oh, come on! I don't even touch it. Hi. Here it is.
Oop, there it is.
Please don't. I should never sing in front of her ever again. So here's the teal one. I barely touched that. Come on. That should be good. This was our last fidget spinner. And here's this. Better not.
Hi.
It's not facing that way. It's not even facing that way. She was trying to wave at you, but she doesn't know that it's not a face cam. I told her, but she still doesn't know what that means. So here's the red one. This one's like really pretty. And yes, I will share with my mom if she wants to play with one for a little bit
You're so sweet.
without her breaking it.
I know you love me so.
Not really. No, touch.
Hi.
They still can't see you. I hope. I hope there's a way to edit this video because I know there is. So here's this red one. That's the last one. And I will show you every single fidget spinner that I have. Oh, darn it. And I will run through all these. And share some of them. Okay. Now my mom can say hi.
Hi.
There. So there's the red. And there's all those. And there's some of these.
There's those and this and that.
And here's this blue one. I had to put it over there because there's no room.
Yeah, this table's kind of a mess.
Yeah, it is. Because why?
Because I'm cricketing.
If you guys don't know what that is, I told you in my store video. It's is
Cricketing.
how do you explain it? Oh,
It's decorating with vinyl. As Kylie says, vinyl.
yeah, she cuts it out with this Cricut machine. There's like a needle under this, and then that part goes with the marker. It's called Cricut. CRICUT. And if you guys want to buy stuff, it's not that bad, but it costs a little bit much because it takes her a lot of time to make it. Sometimes it takes her a week. Especially with a superhero order. It was 12 superheroes and it was like really hard to do.
It sure was. Whoa.
And yeah. This is some of her tools. We have this and that. We'll show them the reader. That's the thing that scrapes it. And there's that, how it cuts. It cuts out different shapes. Show them the reader.
This is the reader with vinyl on it.
I'll show them how you read it. Don't read the whole thing. Sometimes there's like little outlines. That's what she does right there.
We get vinyl everywhere. In our hair, on our clothes, on our feet.
Yes, like I think I have some on me now. One time it was on my cat's butt. It was. You remember, right? Just go with it. Say yes.
Yes.
It was on her butt. Yeah. So here's that fidget spinner. That fidget spinner. That fidget spinner. And that's a fidget cube. There's the blue, the pink, the teal, the red, that, and glitter. There's that really cool one, that one, that one, that one. Glitter, glitter, metallic, 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 glitter. So, hit that like button and subscribe to the video. Bye!
Peace out.